This tutorial will show you how to download BlueStacks online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to download BlueStacks is to open up a new tab or window in your search engine or browser and type in the following: BlueStacks Windows download. Now this can work for Mac, but in this case we're using a laptop, PC, or even a computer. Now you want to go to the first option which says BlueStacks, or you can click download. Now basically once their website has been opened up and loaded, you can scroll down and then you can scroll back up. And as you can see, you can download this for Windows, which is basically optimized for Windows 11, which is basically their new BlueStacks number 5. Or if you were to scroll down, you can even see that it's coming for Mac OS, but it's coming soon. And you can download BlueStacks number 4, their previous version. You can download it for Windows, and you can even download it for Mac online completely for free. Now in this case, let's say that we have a 64-bit. You can choose by this option or even the Hyper-V option. I'm going to choose the second option and then click download. Now basically you want to open up BlueStacks download and then wait for this to open up and load. Click yes on your computer, and basically it's just going to ask you, do you want to install this right now? You can choose to accept their license, and you can choose to receive email notifications, or you can uncheck both. You can even click right here to customize your installation. You can change the folder or the output device and then click install now, completely for free.